The protests here in Serbia. The students are protesting for better rights. Seemingly. And happy to be on the road. Yeah, so peeps are protesting for justice. And I'm doing 80k to Belgrade today. So yeah, peeps. It was very smoky, the hostel today, so peeps are crazy. So nice to be here on the road again. Breathing some fresh air because the hostel was very smoky. So 80k to Belgrade. Great day, Monday morning. Let's do this, peeps. Cycle to Belgrade. And just, once again, the same thing. Just chilling and enjoying the day. Beautiful weather. Really a beautiful morning here in Novi. The fortress over there in the distance. Beautiful bridge over the Danube. Everything's alright today. Feeling great. Slept well. Picturesque town here. Oh my gosh, babes. I'm in the middle of nowhere here on this gravel road. Holy cow. At least there are no fumes. Oh my gosh, peeps, I wanna cry. I wanna cry. I don't like this area. Oh my gosh. The road just brings you to some weird places sometimes. You just gotta push, peeps. Finally home, peeps. That was not a road, mate. I don't know. Feeling exhausted. Why did the sheep cross the road? Some rural scenes here in Serbia. Home, peeps. Take it easy with the sheep, peeps. From Bashka to the world. Let's do this, peeps. Continuing now after a great lunch here in Bashka. 40k to go to the White City. Chilling. Speeding, peeps. On this straight road. The country houses here are super neat. And as you can see, all of them, or a lot of them, have 2 holes here in the facade. And I have no idea why. So if some of you peeps know why it is like this, please hit me up in the comments. Because as an architect, I'm really curious. Look at that. These 2 holes. I wonder what it means. It's a mystery. Peeps, look at this. This road is so straight. Super hot. I don't know, like 30 degrees or so. Just like I'm in Mexico. Getting close now. And here's the map of the Eurovelo route. Look at that, peeps. If you don't have a phone, you can just stick to that. Riding in the town now, and look at this. Some development that stopped completely. Belgrade, the White City. Actually, this looks more like sabotage. Maybe the protests for justice and equality. This is Belgrade, bridge over the Danube. Yeah, so this is it, peeps. I was here in Belgrade for 50 years ago, and I assumed stuff has changed. So I'll see what I find here in this city. Maybe hang out with the locals one of these days. Friend. Very nice. Not super impressive, I must say. Looks like your typical European city. But hey, maybe I will get surprised. Thank you for watching and pedal on. Something going on here, I think it's the protests. Definitely the Serbian protests for anti-corruption, I think. I'm not sure. Okay.